What I love about Apocabox is that it provides you with gear, but it also provides you with projects. This one here is the June 2020 box, and it's being said it's one of the best boxes thus far. This here is the pamphlet that came into it, and what we're going to do is just go through the items as they're listed here. And the first one is going to be the Apocabox pocket knife. I'm not sure how you pronounce it. But here it is. There's the knife right there. I'm going to read what it says. It says, we imported this unique little pocket folder direct from the family-owned factory in Portugal. They've been making this same style knife for over 100 years. It's hand sharpened at the factory and ready for woodcraft right out of the gate. It's also the perfect knife for use for the many carving projects packed into this box. And it goes on from there. So I'm going to show you what this knife looks like and how it works. I'm just going to drop that. So it has a lock right there that when I open it, locks the blade. That's the shape. Let's see how this actually carves. It works nice. Very nice. Full flat grind. So I plan on doing other videos with this box showing the different projects and such, and you'll be seeing more of this knife. Next is this piece of waxed canvas, and what this is a stool. They have pictures on the back. It's also the challenge right there. That's what it's going to look like. I did something similar with rope with a tripod and such, showing how to make a bushcraft stool in the woods. But this here is very handy, takes up no weight, no space, and you just tie your tripod, put these in, you got yourself a stool. Very simple, and I will be showing that video using this stool. Next on the list was a ferro rod kit, DIY ferro rod kit. This here is a 1/2 inch by 6 inch ferro rod with striker, and they also gave you a piece of wood with the hole drilled in it and some hard glue that you can actually put a handle, make a handle, put it on here, fit it the way you like, and it's your own DIY style ferro rod and handle. Very cool. This alone, as you know, you can't have too many ferro rods in my opinion, and the 1/2 inch ones give great sparks. Let's test this for sparks. Not going to light a fire, but just see how it sparks. Oh yeah, very, very nice. Very nice ferro rod. Next is this right here. This is a Cedar toss game. Here's a throwback camp game that'll test your hand-eye coordination and your carving skills. We included this kit as a bonus project to make sure you break in your new Apocabox folder. Everything you need to make a fun little camp game is included in this kit. Here you have instructions and also how to make it and so on. So it's going to be a fun little project to do. Next is the Lightfoot bow drill kit. That's in this bag right here, and it's been approved by the Apocabox VIP group and includes everything you need to bust out a BFE, a big fat ember. I've been so excited to include this kit in your box that I could hardly stand it. Having a bow drill kit made to fit in your Apocabox was no easy task. If you're new to a bow drill, I've filmed a great video walking you through the process from zero to ember using this exact kit, and it shows a link. So in this kit, I love the bag first off, and I'm going to do a video as well about this and using this because I've never actually used a method like this one here. You can do it the traditional way, just flip your put your stick in the string, make your bow. The piece of bamboo, here's your bow. But they also have a spindle with a hole in the middle that you wrap around and just back and forth. And you can actually use a less taut string on your bow, so you don't have that problem with it flipping and so on. So interested to try that and can't wait. But also tinder bundle here. You've got some bearings and a bearing block. So nice little kit, it's very handy. You're still with me. You just fell off a rock. So that there are a few projects already. You have a stool, bow drill, a ferro rod handle you can make. But now this here is a flint knife kit. Before there was metal, there was stone. I thought I'd include a stone tool for you in this box as well. Use the included roughed out handle and hard use resin pucks and the spool of twine to build your own flint knife replica. Every flint blade is handmade and no two are alike. So in here, nice little pouch again. I love these pouches. We have, oops, that's the hard resin pucks I talk about right there. It's like hot melt glue. Here's your roughed out handle. They also gave you a little spool of twine for wrapping right there. And a hand knapped flint blade. Check this out. That's a little bend to it there, but that's the way they were. You follow the stone. Very well done. I like this blade. Now, I'll take out the handle and just show you how it would fit. Just like that. Gotta watch that blade don't fall out and break on the rocks here. But yeah, that's going to be a very neat little project for sure. I've made stone knives before, knapped stone blades and so on, so it's very cool to get something like this in the Apocabox. Now this Apocabox, best one ever. There's a lot of projects here, which I love about the Apocabox, and useful gear that you can use after you do the projects. So very cool box and one of the best yet. Don't know if he's had a lot of nice boxes, but it's definitely one of the top ones in my opinion. Love it, love it. Have a good one. Thanks for watching, and I'll leave a link where you can check out the Apocabox. Take care.